The chiropractic adjustment, also known as chiropractic manipulation, manual manipulation, or spinal manipulation, is a common therapeutic treatment for lower back pain. The chiropractic adjustment refers to a chiropractor applying manipulation to the vertebrae that have abnormal movement patterns or fail to function normally. The objective of this chiropractic treatment is to reduce the subluxation, with the goals of increasing range of motion, reducing nerve irritability and improving function. At Ultima Sports and Spine, we offer the most effective treatment for patients of all ages. We provide treatment for many health conditions such as lower back pain, herniated disc, tennis elbow, migraines, car accidents injuries, sports-related injuries and more. We make sure to deliver patient-centered approach, along with individually tailored healthcare plans. Life is all about your vision. For more information, visit our website.